Today I'm making a movie night snack board. First, I'm going to make the homemade sourdough cinnamon sugar pretzel bites, so in a bowl I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Mix it up. Next, add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Mix it up until the dough forms. Then cover up the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to do my first round of 3 rounds of stretch and fold, so it just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and do it all the way around the bowl, and then cover the dough back up and let this rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm doing my last round of stretch and fold, and then I'm going to cover the dough back up and let it rise for about 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Now the dough has doubled in size, I'm going to cut it into pieces. Now I have a big pot of boiling water. I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda into the pot. Now I'm going to add pieces of the dough into the pot and let them cook for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'm going to skim out the dough and place it onto a baking sheet and then continue doing it with the rest of the dough. After that, I'm going to place the pretzel bites into the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Once the pretzel bites are done, I added them into a large bowl, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter and mix that up until the pretzels are coated in the butter. Next, I have 1 cup of cinnamon sugar. I'm going to add that in and mix it up until everything is coated. Now I'm going to build the snack board. Already on the board, I have 3 containers of popcorn. Next, I'm going to add some candy, so I'm going to add some Twix, some Jolly Rancher gummies, and some Rolos. Lastly, I'm going to add the cinnamon sugar pretzels. Here's an up close look of the movie night snack board.